Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to a tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have a square tan t square, a square. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have a secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have a square tan t square. So a square we can do about factorization. We know that this one that is about secant of t square. So this one we have a to the power of 4 secant of t to the power of 4. This one we have a square tan t square. And now a square we can do about factorization. Now a square with a, we have a to the power of 3. And now we need to simplify this one and this one. So a to the power of 3 with a to the power of 4, we just have only 1 over 8. This one simplified by this one. We just have secant of t to the power of 2. Next, we know that secant of t that is about 1 over cosine t. So we change this one into this one. And now cosine t square will go in here. Next, tan t square that is about sine t square over cosine t square. And now cosine t square multiplied by number 1 and this one. Next, we have the formula in here. So we need to change from this one into cosine 2t. And this one we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. And later that I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we divide both sides by 8. And now we have t equals to arctan of s over 8. And now we put this one to change for t. That is the end. Thank you for watching.